Alright, so I managed to snag a Mr. Buddy heater, the large one that somebody was throwing out. And I tested it, and the flame does work. It does heat. What I'm curious about now is whether or not the fan actually works. And what I'm running into is, one, I don't have any batteries to fit this. Two, this plug right here that you can plug a regular charger or plug into is broken. So it's a 6-volt fan motor. So I think what I'm going to do is pull this apart. I found this 6-volt charger here. Wire that in. And then maybe figure out a way, if possible, to mount that, something like that, inside or even on the outside, doesn't really matter. So then I can just plug an extension cord into it. So let's take this thing apart and see how bad we can mess it up. So I'm fairly good at taking things apart. Putting them back together is not necessarily my strong suit, but you can see how that goes. I'm trying really hard not to lose those screws. Parts are falling out, so that's always good. Alright, well that went pretty easy. Looks like there's our tiny little fan. And there's our cords for the fan. So actually, if we want to keep the switch in line, which we probably could, we could just cut this stuff and wire the charger into that. I'm assuming the black and the white. No, I don't know. I want to say that's hot, but could be wrong. Luckily, on a DC motor, I think we can afford to mess up. Meaning we can afford to wire it wrong and it'll just spin backwards. Hopefully. Don't know if the switch is on or off. Good, spider. Guess we'll find out. Alright, so I got nothing. Now, is my charger bad? Is the switch bad? These are all things I don't have an answer to. So, let's get some answers. So off camera, I swapped leads around, which I'm not sure that would really make a difference, but it is working. So here's the interesting part. If I go to volts, so that's showing 9.8 volts, which doesn't make a lot of sense because this charger, I don't know if y'all can see that, it says output 6 volts, but it's outputting 15. All right, well, the 9.8. What in the hell is there? So there's something moving inside that. I think it's a spider. It is a spider. He's probably knocked unconscious right now because of the fan. Or maybe I killed him. He was moving. Alright, come on, little spider. Live your best life. It says 6 volt, 0.42 amps. Alright, what happened? Alright, so we still have voltage. Did our switch go bad? Alright, so we listen for the beep. Alright, switch is no longer working. Alright, so I grabbed a little jumper thing. And voila! It's pulling 0.7 amps and climbing. Oh, it's going back down. But part that could be because it's got no resistance. So let's put this back on if I can, because most of this plastic shit just broke when I took it apart. Right, that should stay. Both of those plastic pillars broke. Alright, so let's see what our amperage is now. It's 0.7. Definitely not going to blow anybody away. Alright, so we're just going to put those crimpers onto this. And then we got some electrical tape. Instead of jumping this out, I'm just going to leave that there in case I ever want to put a switch in it, which I doubt I will, but the option will be there. Okay. Yeah, probably before I crimp that, I should have run the wire through something. Like one of these holes are even out of here. That would have been smart. Shit. Alright, well, let me fix that. Like so. That should be fine. Here's what the inside of the heater looks like. It takes 2 tanks, so you got one for that side, one for this side. It will work off of just one. I found that out. So yeah, no more spiders, so that's good. Almost like it was made to fit. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this to the pilot position probably a couple times since it's windy. There's the flame. I'm not sure if y'all can see that or not. And you can't really see the flame on that, but maybe you can see the heat off the side. I mean, it works. I don't know. You're not really going to accomplish a lot with that little fan. And it doesn't even blow hot air because the ducting just pushes it across this, which I guess forces some of the heat out instead of straight up. But it does work, so that's a plus. Well, there you go. I don't know if you'd ever wondered anything about a little Mr. Buddy heater or not, but if you've stuck with me through this whole video, you've seen a lot more than most people have of the insides and how these things work. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, not a whole lot to say. All right, thanks for watching.